Friends, I am Hamid Hussain and welcome to my channel Hamid Hussain Tutorial. So इस चैनल में हम लोग अपनी 10th क्लास के पूरे मैथमेटिक्स को पूरे पढ़ेंगे, एक एक क्वेश्चन इंशाल्लाह सॉल्व करेंगे और इसको अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि चैनल की लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको मिलती रहे तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी ज़रूर कमेंट करें। ओके, अगर इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, कोई क्यूरी हो, कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर कमेंट करें। ओके, सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द सर्कल चैप्टर. ओके, so first of all, we already know what is circle. Circle is that geometric shape that that is equidistant from a single point, that is called center. Okay, this point is called center, and the distance from center and periphery or the circumference of the circle is called radius. Okay, so बेसिकली 10th क्लास में जो हमें पढ़ना है वो है व्हाट इज़ कॉर्ड, व्हाट इज़ टेंजेंट. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज if there is a circle and a line is intersecting the circle at two distinct points, okay, then this line will called chord. Okay, this line will called chord or this part will called a secant of the circle. Second thing is if this line is intersecting circle at only single point, then it will called tangent. Got this? Okay, if chord will pass through the center, then it will called diameter of the circle, and always remember diameter will be 2 times of the radius. So these were the some basics that we have already studied in the previous class. Okay, सो दो इस टॉपिक में जो हमारा पहला जो है फर्स्ट वन इज वह है इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है. सेकंड पार्ट जो है वह टेंजेंट टू अ सर्कल. किसी सर्कल पर हम लोग कुछ टेंजेंट करते हैं तो व्हाट आर डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टेंजेंट ऑलवेज इंटरसेक्ट ओनली one point of the to the circle. Okay, so from a single point only a single tangent can pass. Next there is a theorem 10.1. according to this theorem, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. इट मीन्स कि सर्कल पे जो टेंजेंट होगा इट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर. ओके, इफ दिस इज टेंजेंट इट विल ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम सेंटर. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि द टेंजेंट एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ अ सर्कल इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द रेडियस थ्रू द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, एंड दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड वेयर दिस लाइन मीट्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइन this point is called point of contact. Okay, and this line is called PQ secant. Okay, next one, if okay, there is an exercise, so we will solve this exercise. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points, only single point. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called chord. A circle can have dash parallel tangent at most. Okay, so at circle can only two parallel tangents at most. Okay, because there will be one tangent here and there will be another side. Okay, next, the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Next question is, a tangent PQ at point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ equals to 12 cm, length PQ is, we have to find the length PQ. तो क्या क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कि a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm. There is a circle and its radius is 5 cm. Okay, and a tangent PQ is passing through the circle. Okay, meets a line okay, center O at point here. Okay, so we have to find, okay, a tangent PQ at a point P. Okay, this one is the point P. So what is given? OQ equals to 12 cm. This one is 12 cm and this one is the radius 5 cm. So we have to find the value of PQ. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find PQ equals to square root of 12 square minus hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square OP, because we already know the tangent is always perpendicular from the center, or 12 square minus 5 square equals to 144 minus 25 equals to, it will become 100 square root of 119. So PQ equals to square root of 119 centimeter. Okay, so this is the measurement of the PQ. Next question is, draw a circle and two parallel to given lines such that one is tangent and the other a second to the circle. Okay, so that is too much easy. We have to take, we will take a circle of something radius. Okay, then we will draw a line P which is tangent to the circle. Okay, then we will draw a parallel line to this AB and this will be the second. Okay, this will be second and this will be tangent. क्लियर हो गया, ये टेंजेंट है और ये सेकेंड है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, numbers of tangent from a point on a circle. So from a single point only one tangent can pass. Okay, always remember, from a single point only one tangent can pass. So theorem 10.2, the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, क्या बोल रहा है कि the length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal. Okay, यानी कि if theorem 10.2, this is a circle, if you are taking any external point, अगर आपको external point ले रहे हैं तो इससे अगर सर्कल पे टू टेंजेंट्स ड्रा होंगे तो दोनों टेंजेंट्स की लेंथ ऑलवेज इक्वल होगी. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि दिस वन विल ऑलवेज इक्वल. इफ द पी क्यू एंड पी आर टू टेंजेंट्स देन ऑलवेज पी क्यू इक्वल्स टू पी आर. ओके, we can also prove, because this is the from RHS criteria, or yes, from the congruency, because this side is common, this side is radius, they have given the perpendicular. Okay, so OQ equals to OR, OQ equals to OR, and OP equals to OP, that is common, and okay, and there is a perpendicular. So from RHS criteria, this triangle and this triangle are congruent, hence PQ is equal to PR. Okay, next there is they have given an example. He proved that in two concentric circle, the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is the bisect at point of contact. What you have to prove, अगर दो कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल है, कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल का मतलब ये होता है कि इस तरह का सर्कल जिनके सेम सर्कल हो, जिनके सेम सेंटर हो, उस तरह के सर्कल्स को बोलते हैं हम लोग कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल. सो देयर इज टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल. सो line AB is tangent on the circle 2. So we have to prove this will bisect. It means length of AP and PB will be equal. So that is too much easy, because OP is perpendicular on AB. So OP is common, and OA and OB will be radius. Okay, and this angle is 90 degree. So from RHS criteria, triangle OAP and triangle OPB are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then AP equals to PB. Okay, that is too much easy. Example number 2. The two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ equals to 2 times of angle OPQ. So from the congruency, or you can, okay, since angle PTQ equals to 2 times of angle, this we have to prove this, angle TPQ equals to angle TQP, because they are isosceles triangle, So from this you can easily prove that. Example number 3. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangent at P and Q intersect at point T. Find the length of TP. We have to find the length of TP. So we already know this one will be the perpendicular. So first we will find the OR, and OR will be 3 cm. If OR is 3 cm and PR is the half of, PR is 4 and POP is 3 cm, then we will apply the right angle similarity criteria and we will find the value of length TP. Okay. Therefore the right angle triangle TRP is similar to the right angle triangle PRP. By similarity, TP by PO equals to RP divided by RP, TP by 5 equals to 4 by 3 equals to TP equals to 20 by 3 cm. So from similarity of triangle, you can easily find out the value of TP. Okay. They have given exercise 10.2. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 cm and the distance of Q from the center is 25 cm. The radius of the circle is. So अब हमें बताना है कि सर्कल का जो रेडियस होगा वो कितना होगा. ओके, सो वेरी इजी है. एक्सरसाइज 10.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज गिवन? फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट Q, द लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट ऑफ अ सर्कल is, this is the circle, this is the center, so we have assumed center is O and there is a tangent. So from a point Q, the length of tangent of the circle is 24 centimeter. Okay, so this one is 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center, distance from Q to the center is 25 centimeter. So we have to find the radius of the circle. We can easily find the radius of the circle by applying Pythagoras theorem, and where we have assumed that this one is P. So OP equals to square root of OQ square minus PQ square, or square root of 25 square minus 24 square, or square root of 625 minus 1. Okay, 24, 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 2 is 8, plus 1 9, 24 2 is 48, 6 9 plus 8 17, 576, 576, 5 minus 15 minus 6 9, 13 13 minus 7 4 49, that equals to 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो दिस बिकम, तो ये रेडियस हमें कितने निकल के आ गई 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो दिस क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी इजी. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी. देयर इज नो रॉकेट साइंस इन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, what we have studied in this chapter is the meaning of tangent to a circle. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, and the length of the two tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, तो हम लोग ने पढ़ा कि टेंजेंट क्या है. उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा कि टेंजेंट जो होता है हमेशा सर्कल पे परपेंडिकुलर होता है. थर्ड हमने पढ़ा कि किसी एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से जो टेंजेंट्स, टू टेंजेंट्स अगर हम लोग ड्रा करेंगे तो दोनों की लेंथ जो होगी वो इक्वल होगी.